Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hello guys, give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Who is all able to see me? Quickly give me a thumbs up, guys. Who is all able to see me? Okay, we have a guitarist in our house. We have Srinivas, Anu. Hi Anu, we met yesterday as well, isn't it? Hello Saurav, hi Mena. Such a nice name. Hi Anjana. How are you guys doing? Are you people able to see my screen? Okay, let me just open that again quickly. And here am I. Okay, let's move on to the previous slide. Yes, so welcome to Unacademy. Okay. Hello. So today we would be studying about the chapter Reproduction in Plants and Animals. We would be quickly doing, I would say, a revision of this chapter, and then we would be moving ahead with the Menti quiz. So quickly bear it with me for 20 minutes so that you are able to answer the questions, and then we would be going ahead with the Menti quiz. Okay, so are you guys excited? Give me a thumbs up quickly. So let me tell you in brief about this platform. Okay, my system is lagging a bit. This is a bit about me. I am a teacher from past 4 years. I love science and I love teaching students. So you can read about me. You can follow me on the Unacademy platform and subscribe there. Hello Kulbhushan, you are here. I just did a class with Kulbhushan in the Plus course. Okay, so if you all want to be a valuable part of Unacademy, you can be a part of any of these courses that are designed for you. Suppose this one is for the 8th class. So we are having our Eureka batches of Science and Necessity. We are having English and Hindi batches and batches on maths as well. So all these wonderful teachers are going to teach you. Then we have some revision batches for the people who are really busy playing in the quarantine as well. So we do have the weekend batches for you. For 8th class, these are the ones. Yeah, these are the ones for the 8th class. That is the science and mathematics one. It will be taught by Surabhi ma'am and Prashant sir. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So here is a new batch on English and Hindi literature. So it would be an A to Z finale. And what do we mean by that? It means that all the syllabus of your class would be covered in that. We have Hindi literature and we have English literature as well. Then you people know. Hi Ankit. Hi Satish. Okay, who does have 1,000 subscribers? Hi Nitesh. Hi Brunel. You are also here. I'm so glad. I just had a wonderful class with these kids on the Plus platform. Okay, great. Yes, that's great. Kulbhushan. Okay, Pranavi is here with us. So we do have our plus courses and iconic courses. In these you would be getting all these benefits, guys. So it is of course very useful for all of you. And if you want to go ahead with the best course that we are providing you all, you can be a part of iconic subscription. Okay, so here you will be getting like the personal attention of all the best mentors and all the live quizzes and everything that you would like to experience. So this class would be just, I would say, an example, हम जैसे कहते हैं ना, a trailer of the whole movie. So you can be a part of Unacademy platform. Go subscribe and go with the subscription if you really like this class. So these are the rate plans for each and every class, that is your plus and your iconic. So these are the things, and as you people are really good with mathematics, so you can easily judge that if you buy it for a month it would be a bit more costlier, but if you buy it for more number of months it would be absolutely fine. And as I am a wonderful teacher I have a referral code that is AS23. Okay, so if you type this particular code whenever you are buying a subscription of Unacademy platform, you can get a 10% discount. I won't be able to write 10, I believe. Yeah, I think I'm able to. So you will be able to get a 10% discount with this code that is AS23. So let's move on with our chapter. So make sure guys, thank you Mrunal for writing it in the chat box. Yes, let's start now. So now for another 15 to 20 minutes, I would be teaching you and briefing you about this chapter. Then we have lots of mentee quizzes, okay? So are you guys excited? Okay, so you can't see me. Let me do that. It's perfectly fine. So here is my... Okay, I think I'm like quite small. Now I just realized it. Here am I. Hello everyone. Are you able to see me a little bit better? Okay, hello. Thank you for informing that to me, Sunita. So our today's topic is reproduction in animals. We would be focusing on methods of reproduction. Then we would be focusing on your sexual reproduction in humans. So all the organs and the sex organs, we would be covering each and everything, and we would be having a poll after that. Yes, we do have classes for graduate students as well if you are preparing for any of the exams, Ankit. So you can download the Unacademy application and you can see all the courses that we provide. Hello, Noob Hunter. So what's your name? Okay, Saksham. Now I am like visible. Great, great. So let's move ahead. So this is the question that I'm going to ask you. You can see the first animal right over here, right? So what is this animal called and what is its baby called? Quickly tell me. Hi Ravi. Hi Nitesh. I'm so glad to see you all. Now quickly tell me which one is this particular animal. Quickly. Hi Ashutosh. Quickly answer me. Yes. And what is the baby of a bat called? Tell me. Yes, Kulbhushan answered the first. You are like leading over here as well, Kulbhushan. So the baby of a bat is known as a puppy. Great. That is a puppy. So the baby over the parent over here is known as the bat and the baby is known as a puppy, just like a dog. We call them small puppies. So what is the second animal that you can see over here? Which one is the second animal? Yes, Pranavi answered it correctly. So the second animal is a frog, and here you can see a tadpole. That is a baby of a frog. No, it is not a lizard. It's a tadpole. Is this your first class, Ravi, with me? How come you are a fan already? Yes, the second one is a tadpole. What about the third one? That is this green, beautiful creature. Yes, now the guitarist is right. That is caterpillar and a butterfly. Very good. Great, guys. Great. Yes, let everyone answer. Let's see who all does know that. And caterpillar is the baby of a butterfly, right? Then we have our fourth animal, What is it and whose baby is it? It is a horse, very true. What is the baby of a horse known as? And we have a champion over here. That is, again, the guitarist. That is a colt, okay? So, baby of a horse is known as colt. That is C-O-L-T. You can see the spelling in the comment section. And last but not the least, here is your beautiful, beautiful creature that I am really afraid of. What is it? Hello, Sagar. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Yes, what is this baby called? Quickly. Yes, baby of a cockroach is. Don't just quickly, go and find it somewhere. Think about it. If you don't know, just put a question mark or just write I do not know. Yes, I'm really afraid of the cockroaches, Brunel. Yes, I got the right answer by Mannat, and that is a nymph. Even though the spelling is a bit wrong, the nymph is spelled as N-Y-M-P-H. Okay, so that is a nymph. Absolutely. Okay, so the child of the cockroach is known as a nymph. So let's move on. As we are done with this activity and you people have gained some more knowledge, let's move on with our first slide. That is reproduction. So as you all know, when any organism gives birth to a new organism of the same species, it is known as reproduction. Okay, so a human cannot give birth to a tadpole, or a frog cannot give birth to a cat. So it is always the same species. And why do animals do that? They do that to maintain their species in the future coming up years or in the future upcoming answers. Oh, why is it blur? Okay. Yeah, I think there is a lag. Please zoom in. Okay, is that blur for each and every one of you? Quickly tell me. Am I like... Okay, how can I zoom that in? Let's see if I can just, make my computer a little closer to my face, I would say. Yeah, I think that would be better, isn't it? Hi, Yasmit. Oh, it's okay. It must be because of your connection. It's okay. At least you can see the screen a bit. Okay, so all living organism undergoes the process of reproduction. I won't be explaining a lot about each and every topic because we need to cover a lot and then we need to go for the Menti quiz. So the next one is the method of reproduction. There are always two methods of reproduction in any kind of organism. The first one is asexual reproduction. The other one is sexual reproduction. Okay, so let's move ahead and see what does that mean. So here is an example of asexual reproduction. In this kind of a reproduction, there is no involvement, or it happens without the involvement of sex cells. So when a kind of reproduction where we do not have sex cells involved, it is known as asexual. In this kind of a reproduction, a single parent is involved. We do not need two parents. Okay, do ask me the questions if you have any doubts. I'll start it within, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes, quickly. So this is an example over here, and the young one is exactly the copy of the parent, and the example of asexual reproduction is binary fission in amoeba and the budding in hydra. Okay, so these two are the examples of asexual reproduction. Let's move on to the next one. That is our lovely sexual reproduction that we would be studying today. Hi Chavi, welcome to the class. Okay. So, what do you mean by sexual reproduction? In this kind of a reproduction, the sex cells, the male and the female sex cells, fuses with each other to form a thing known as zygote. And I think I just kind of made a circle over here. So, it is a zygote. So, whenever a male and a female sex cell fuses with each other, it forms zygote. So, sexual reproduction includes sex cells or gametes. Okay, two parents are involved and the young ones are not the exact copy of any of the parent. Okay, so another activity for all of you. Let's see who is going to answer. Quickly tell me, who will you match the rooster with? Write the answer like rooster dash the answer. Quickly, write in the answers. Give me the answer. Yes, Pranavi is right. Rooster will be matched with a hen. Right answer, Pranavi. What about a drake? Come on, next move to the next one. That is a drake. What do you mean by that? Drake would be... Yes, someone just wrote about the peahen and the peacock. True. Then someone wrote a correct answer. Who wrote this? Brunel wrote that. And then Anu wrote that, the correct answer. Then I have Pranavi with another correct answer. That is gander and goose. Okay, guys. Drake and duck. Who wrote that first? Pranavi, Anjana. Great, guys. And then we have two more. Quickly. Pranavi is like really on fire. Stallion with a male. Great, guys. Yes, that's true. Hi, Kriti, right, Anu? Okay. And what about the last one? That is Tom. Yes, Tom is the queen. Okay, tell me which animal is Tom over here? Which animal are we referring? Yes, Kulbhushan. Tom is a cat. Tom and queens are the male and female of a cat. Okay? Yes, great, Pranavi. I'm really glad that you paid attention in that session. Yes, very true. Ritesh, Brunel, Kriti, everyone. Okay, so let's move on to our next one. This is something very important in our chapter today, that is gametes. So the special cells which are involved in sexual reproduction are known as gametes. So male have different gametes and female have different gametes. So the male gametes are known as sperms. Male gametes are known as sperms and female gametes are known as egg or ova. So these are the two very important things in this chapter. Okay, guys? So the sex cells or the special reproductive cells are known as gametes. There are of two types. Male has sperms, female has egg or ova. Great. Let's move ahead and study about them in a bit of detail. So the one beautiful creature that you are seeing is a sperm. It is a male sperm. I'm not able to write in this. I'm so disappointed. I'm like using a mouse, right? So, okay. So this sperm is a male gamete. It has three pieces. The head, the middle piece and the tail. So the head basically contains all your chromosome, all your genetic material and everything. It does have a nucleus, it does have a cytoplasm, it has a cell membrane as well. Okay, then your middle piece. Middle piece is yet very important and it contains the mitochondria of the cell. So it is not that important right now because you are in like thoda sa younger classes. So it's absolutely fine. Yes, absolutely. Guitarist. What's your name? Let me call you with your name. Tell me your name. Otherwise, I'll keep calling you guitarist. I think we have like few more people in the class. Hello everyone. Aditya, right. Okay, so they are like 0.5 mm long. You need to remember this information, okay? This is very important. A sperm is a single cell. The nucleus of the sperm is tightly packed in its head. So it has three places, that is head, middle piece and tail. Again, a very cute, I would say, characteristic about the sperm is that it is a short form of a word spermatozoon. Doesn't it look like a character of a cartoon character, name of a cartoon character? Spermatozoon. So yes, it is sperm is the short form of the word spermatozoon. And the tail of the sperm helps it to swim. Yes, absolutely. Okay, let's move on to another one. That is your beautiful, beautiful egg cell. It is a female gamete. Okay, it is known as egg or ova. So egg and ova both are one of the same thing only. Okay, and they are like larger than eggs. Okay, they are larger than sperms. So it is 0.15 mm, right? And it is again a single cell. Now a little bit interesting part about the egg is that it does contain a jelly coat. What do you mean by a jelly coat? So basically this is kind of a thin layering of jelly around the cell membrane, which allows only one sperm to enter into it during fertilization. So you also know the egg cell basically waits for like millions of sperms to contact it. But now it cannot get fused with millions of sperm. So it has like an extra layer of covering around it, which only allows one sperm, the first one, to enter through it. So that's why we had this jelly coating over here. Right? Let's move on with the next one. So now comes the most important term in this chapter, that is fertilization. Let me go through the chats once. Yes, okay. Pranavi, you have a lot of knowledge. That's really great. Yeah, okay. So fertilization is the fusion of male and female gamete. Whenever a sperm comes meet with a egg, it is known as fertilization. And what is the result? What is the immediate result of a fertilization? That is the formation of zygote. A zygote is formed after the fusion of male and female gamete in sexual reproduction. Yes, very true, Aditya. Great. Yes, very true, Pranavi. So this is how something, the fertilization looks like. So you can see like how many sperms are contacting a single cell. So I have only drawn 3, but there are like millions of sperms that are trying to contact each and every egg. So it only allows to enter one of them. When the cell actually enters, when the sperm actually enters the egg, the tail of the egg remains out. Only the nucleus of the cell basically fuses with the nucleus of the egg and sperm, and they get fertilized. After this, they form a new cell that is known as zygote. Okay, so the fusion of male and female gametes is result in first slide. First slide about what? Romana, tell me, first slide. Tell me. The first slide was, the one before this. Name the slide for me, okay? So then I would be able to explain it, guys. Which topic? In the first slide we have only reproduction. In the starting one. Okay, in the starting one we only had reproduction, sexual reproduction. These are the topics that we covered. So you tell me, what do you want to know? I would like, you can contact me on the application as well. Oh, I just got like really aage. Huh. So after the fertilization, we would be doing and learning about types of fertilization. They are absolutely easy and peasy. Okay, so the internal fertilization is the one that happens inside the body of the female. So whenever an fertilization takes place inside the body of the female, it is known as internal fertilization. Most of the land animals do that, such as human, cows, reptiles, birds, insects, etc. Okay, and after that, we have our external fertilization. As simple as that, it happens outside the female body. So what happens is both male and female releases their eggs outside their body, and the fertilization takes place, or the zygote formation takes place outside both of the parents' body. So this usually happens with aquatic animals like frog, fishes, starfishes. Okay, guys. So here I basically explained a bit and gave you a picture on how that how the frog basically releases its eggs and undergo external fertilization. So let me quickly write. Oh, okay. So yeah, external fertilization. Okay. So this female frog basically releases lots of eggs in the water. After she is done with that, the male one releases its sperm, and it is released in like lots and lots of amount. And with the flowing water, the both of them fuses and they become a zygote, and then they become a yes. There is Menti Romana. In another 5 to 7 minutes, we would be starting. Absolutely, Pranavi. So Pranavi is writing like really nice points in the chat, so you can actually refer to whatever she's saying. Okay. So let's move on to the sexual reproduction in humans. So what happens with human is that it has the male sex organ known as testis, and testis releases sperms. Okay. Then we have our ovaries that are the female sex organs, and these ovaries releases eggs and ova. As simple as that. So this is your male reproductive system. All of these parts such as penis. Now penis is the part which is on the outside of your abdomen region, outside of the male abdomen region. It is the opening to the outside. Then we have testes. Testes are basically, just give me a second. So testis is really important because sperms are produced in testis. Then there is a thin coiled structure over here that is known as epididymis. Epididymis is just attached to the testis, and the sperms, after getting produced in the testis, it gets stored in the epididymis for a while. After that, the seminal vesicles take these testes to your ducts take this sperm ducts take this sperms to the seminal vesicles, and then the seminal vesicles is attached to your penis. So this is how the sperms are produced and carried. If I talk about scrotal sac, so this is nothing but a bag of skin that holds your testes in males. Yes, very true, Aditya. Okay, Romana. So this is what the summary is. We are revising this chapter quickly so that we can quickly go on with the Menti quiz. Here is your female reproductive system. Here the most important parts are your vagina, cervix, your uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. So this is how this looks. Okay, guys. So let's study a bit about them in detail. Your ovaries are the oval shaped organs which are inside our abdominal cavity. So ovaries are the ones which actually produce the female gametes known as egg and ova. So the egg and ova are produced in ovaries. Remember that. Then your oviducts. So just to tell you about oviduct a bit more, it's like really good if you go through the diagram. So if you can see these things, these small circular things are your ovary, and this funnel shaped area and the funnel shaped tube around your ovary is your oviduct. What this oviduct does is it just maintains a distance with the ovary. So whenever an egg is released in the ovary, it just catches that egg and stores that egg. After that, what happens is whenever there is a chance of fertilization, the sperms just travel quickly to the oviduct and fertilization happens in oviduct. Okay, always remember that fertilization takes place in oviducts. So whenever a mature egg is released in the oviduct every month by one of the ovaries, it is known as ovulation. That is again a very important term. So remember that a female have two ovaries. Every month only one of them releases, suppose this is the one who is releasing an egg this time, so other time this one would be releasing the egg. So this is how they go about it. Okay. Yes, fallopian tubes and oviducts are one of the same thing. Absolutely, Aditya. Yes. Egg and ova are also the same thing. Yes, guys. So the fertilization of the egg in the sperm by the sperm is taken place in oviducts. Then you have your, I would say, the organ of life, that is your uterus. It basically holds your baby. So whenever fertilization takes place, that embryo is planted in the uterus, and there it starts becoming a baby until it is born. So it is very important. Then the growth and development of the fertilized eggs and zygote into baby is taken place in uterus. Now this uterus is having a narrow opening known as cervix, and which opens into a vagina. So vagina receives the penis for putting sperms into a woman's body. Okay, so is that clear, guys? Yes, Menti is starting just here. So the process of reproduction in animals takes place in two steps. First of all, the fertilization happens, then there is the development of embryo. Let me quickly explain this, and after this I think we have the Menti. Yes, this one is the last slide. Focus, then only you will be able to answer that. Okay, so what happened is, focus on this part over here. So you can see the ovary over here and you can see this fallopian tube over here. Okay, right? So this ovary releases an egg in this fallopian tube. When an ovary releases an egg into the fallopian tube or the oviduct, that process is known as ovulation. After that ovulation, that eggs wait for the sperms. So whenever a sperm comes and fuses with that egg, it makes a zygote. That process is known as fertilization. Okay. So ovulation happened, then fertilization happened. After fertilization, the zygote keeps, dividing repeatedly into I would say, into embryo. So to make embryo, zygote divides repeatedly. Okay. So now zygote, as you know, is a single cell. When it starts dividing, it becomes an embryo. It keeps dividing and dividing and dividing and dividing. And after that it reaches the uterus. So uterus has a very lining in which that embryo gets embedded. So when the embryo gets embedded in the thick lining of uterus, that is known as implantation. Okay, Romana, go ahead and ask your doubts. Okay. So when the embryo gets embedded into the uterus wall, that is known as implantation, and that is when we call that the woman is pregnant, right? See, this is the uterus wall over here, the yellow one, and this embryo is developing like this. So the embryo then again, keeps developing and developing, and till 8 weeks it is an embryo, when all the functions or all the distinct features, or your head, feet are not, you are not able to realize what it is. But after embryo it becomes and grows into, after 8 weeks it grows into a fetus. So this was the last slide of the today's. I've given you like an overview of things. Now quickly open the mentimeter.com. This is the thing that you need to quickly put it in the browser. So quickly call all of your friends. We would be starting in another 2 minutes. Quickly. Okay, fetus implantation. I am Pranavi. Okay, have you guys opened? Quickly give me a thumbs up. Have you guys opened Mentimeter? Yes, that's implantation. Quickly give me a thumbs up if you have opened Mentimeter. The code is 8698282. The code is 8698282. I am writing it in the chat box as well. It's 8698282. Hello, welcome everyone. Quickly join in quickly. I would start in another 2 minutes. The code is in the chat box. Give me a thumbs up if you are already here. Again, let me type it. 869828 and 2. You need to open Mentimeter, okay? Mentimeter, you can see it on your screens. MENTIMETER, Mentimeter.com. Okay. I got you. I can see you, Prachi, the dancing girl. And Runal is the snowman. And we got a candy. You are the unicorn side, Priya. Okay, I can see you. You have beautiful icons. Quickly join in. I'm waiting for another 1 minute. Then we would be starting with our questions. You are the agent, Aman. Great. Okay, Prachi, so you're Mansi. I got another one, a goat over here. And another one. Quickly come in. We have a dinosaur or a crocodile over here. Another 1 minute, quickly. I want all your friends to compete in a healthy way. And here we are. Okay, Aditi. I got that. A lot of people are coming in. Let's just start with everyone. We would be having the leaderboard and everything over here, okay? So let's just start. One more child and we are ready to start. The code is last time of the mentimeter.com. It is 8692869828 and 2. Okay, we are waiting for another 10 seconds. Education treasure. Quickly. Until then, tell me your icons. What icons you are from. The code is 869828 and 2. Okay, let's start the quiz. The first question is right away. You would be getting 20 seconds to answer each and every question. So a lot of you answered it correctly. Congratulations. So the correct answer is zygote. Let's see the leaderboard. Jarvis was the first one. Great. Great, guys. Let's move on to the next question. And here it is. Great! Why did anyone write it wrong? That is absolutely a clear answer. That is ova. Female egg cells are also called as ova. Here is your beautiful leaderboard. Let's see who is there. We have Jarvis, then Frosty, Pranavi, Aditya, Karthik, Aditi, Saipriya and Krishna, Akshay, Ritu and Smriti. Okay, let's move on to the next question, guys. Leaders, I want like great answers from you. And here is your third question. Think and answer. You can do that, guys. I just mentioned this. Last second and time's up. So everyone answered, but a few got wrong. Amoeba is the one who undergoes asexual reproduction. Okay, it's okay, Bruno. You can get it wrong, right the next time. Frog, people have answered. No, frog is not the answer. Okay, I showed you a picture in the slide, right? Both male and female were having the fertilization and the reproduction. So asexual reproduction is when there is no sex gamete and only one parent takes place. Okay, so amoeba would be the right answer. Here is the leaderboard. Let's see. Okay, so now Aditya is on the top. Then we have beautiful leaders and people are like, you know, getting added into it. So that's great, guys. Yes, frogs undergo external fertilization in sexual reproduction. Okay, let's move on to our next question. You have time, think and answer, read it again and then answer. It would be perfectly fine if you are like answering it correctly and even though in the last 5 seconds. So the correct answer matters. And Satish is cheating over here. Don't write the answers here. Join the Mentimeter quiz. So guys, it is as easy peasy question as possible. The sex cells and the gametes, whenever they are involved, including the two parents, a new organism is formed by the process of sexual reproduction. Okay, so the leaderboard, let's see who is climbing up. Okay, a few of you actually gained up. That's great. Hi Amisha, quickly join the Menti quiz. You know how to open that? Yes, you can. You can, ma'am, can I make this Menti through my computer? Yes, you can take that from your computer. Just open the website mentimeter.com. Okay, and enter this code that you can see on your screen 8698282. Like we started with a few people and few people have joined in, so you can join at any time. Okay, let's move on to the next question. And here it is. Whoever was present in the class listening nicely would be able to answer that in seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time's up. So let's see. Oh, why so many of you answered it incorrectly? The answer was jelly coat, and I can make sure you people were in the class. That's why you were able to answer that. So the ova has a thin covering around its cell membrane so that it can prevent more than one sperm to enter it. तो एक से ज़्यादा स्पर्म उसके अंदर उस एग के अंदर क्या कहते हैं एंटर ना हो जाए, इसलिए ओवा फीमेल एग सेल हैव अ जेली कोटिंग नोन एज जेली कोट. Okay. See, we have Jarvis on the top, then Frosty is climbing up like anything. Frosty, quickly write your name over here so that I can know who you are. Hi Akshay. Okay, I'll call you Akshina. Okay, let's move on to the next question. We have like new people adding in. So this is the 6th question of the 20th question. Let's see who is going to answer this one. Whoever attended the class nicely would be able to do. Hi Frost, hi Mrunal, I'm so glad that you were on the top. I got that you are Frosty. Okay. So whoever attended the class must know that sperm is a short form of the term spermatozoon. Just remember it is just like a cartoon character. I would say just say the name of superhero. So it's like some spermatozoon, just like that. Okay. So that would be the correct answer. Let's see the leaderboard. Hi Amisha. Only 2 people out of the leaderboard could answer that, and that actually changed the picture. This question was actually a game changer, guys. Welcome to the first place, Aditya. Okay, so this one is the 7th question. So there's no option 3. I think I just missed the blank. There could be true or false. So just click from true or false, okay? Yes, that is absolutely okay. I just kind of made a wrong poll over here, I believe. So this statement is false, guys, okay? Eggs or ova are multicellular. That is false. So the 12 people over here actually answered it correctly. I'm so sorry. Okay, I made a wrong poll over here. I must have clicked it, a misclick, I would say. So the 12 people over here, yes, it is false. Okay, false is the answer. Eggs and ova are single cellular. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can I change that? Let me see. Um, um, Uh, I don't think so. I can change it now. Okay, my presentation, maybe I can like go back and quickly change it for you all. That might be done. Let's see, because I don't want to, you know, give me a quick second. This was, yeah, this question. See, there was a misclick in this question. So yeah, that is like wrong. And this was false. Okay, so now it is there. Let it save and then we can present again. So just let me quickly cut this option. See, it is not getting cut. No problem. Let's present it. Okay, so this is the right answer. Thank you guys for helping me out. Okay, let's move ahead. Next question. Here is your leaderboard. So eggs or ova are a single cell organism, right? So this is a good function that I could change it. That's so great. Let's move on to the next question. Tail of the sperm is left out while entering into an egg during fertilization. True or false? Quickly, do it. Thank you so much, Pranavi, for helping me out and telling me all of you. Even Anu told me that, so thank you so much for helping me with it. So yes, true is the right answer. Whenever an sperm is going to enter an egg cell, it just leaves its tail outside. So let's see who is leading the leaderboard. I really love how they depict all these things, na? It is so beautiful to basically see. So Jarvis is on the top now, and I can see a lot of people entering the leaderboard. Great, guys, you can do it. So the question is here. True or false? Middle piece of the cell doesn't help it in moving. It is the tail that helps it in moving and swimming. Okay, so middle piece doesn't do anything in that. It just provides it with energy because that contains the mitochondria. Okay, remember and try to read the question quickly. So a lot of people are entering and climbing up the leaderboard. Next question. Sunita, we are already in between the Menti quiz. I am again having a class at 7 for the 6th class. Okay? So which of the following is not a part of male reproductive system? That is uterus. Other than that, everything includes in the male one. Okay? So let's see who is going to top the leaderboard. And it is again Jarvis. Some people are climbing up and I'm really glad about that. Let's go to the next question. I try to make Menti quiz for each and every class because it really gives you a scope to analyze how much you know about the chapter. Okay, so yes, probably every time I'm having a class, I would be making a Menti quiz. And if you want to, okay, the embryo divides repeatedly to form a zygote. That is absolutely false. Why? Because zygote divides repeatedly to form an embryo, not the embryo. Okay? Thank you, Amisha. So here is the leaderboard. So if you guys are really interested in having polls, and if you really like just reading the content quickly and revising the chapter and then analyzing your performance, if this is your pattern of studying, so you can subscribe me on the Unacademy platform as well, and there you would be able to see all my special classes. So that is absolutely free for everyone. Okay, so you can be a part of special classes. Download the application and let's go over there. Meet you in the special classes and the plus classes as well. Let's see the question. Daria and Kulbhushan, I don't know where they went. They have been studying from past 2 hours maybe, because they're a little bit tired, I believe. Focus on the English of this. I don't know why I'm having a feeling like you people are going to get this wrong. See, the answer is false. Remember, try to read the question nicely. Ovary release mature egg each every month, which is called ovulation. Each नहीं, 2 ovaries होती है, तो अगर each release करेंगी तो मतलब 2 eggs release करेंगी हर month. No, ovaries release one mature egg, so one of the ovaries release, so that one is should be present over there. So this would be wrong. Both the ovaries doesn't produce eggs every month. Okay, so that is why this is false. And one who answered it correctly, quickly tell me who answered it correctly. No, this one is a correct answer. So let's see who is the one who has answered this correctly. Oh, Sunita, that's so great that you answered it correctly. Let's move on to the next question. Only one ovaries, not each. Yeah, probably they are a little tired, Brunel, now. The fertilization of eggs by the sperm takes place in. Read the question, read the question, read it, read it, read it, and now try to answer it. Congratulations! So many of you answered it correctly. So oviduct is that a place, or the fallopian tubes. Oviducts are also known as fallopian tubes, and there is where your fertilization takes place. So let's see who is climbing up the leaderboard. So we can see Jarvis and Aditi on the top. Aditi was in my previous class as well, I believe, and you were topping the charts there as well. Congratulations. Okay, you are the disco potato, Sunita. Okay, now I'll see. Okay, everyone has voted. So the stage of the unborn baby at which we cannot identify any body feature, it is known as embryo. Okay, so zygote basically is not a baby, it is just a single cell. From embryo we start calling it a baby, and हम एम्ब्रियो की कोई भी हम फीचर्स नहीं, बिकॉज क्योंकि 8th वीक तक हम कोई भी फीचर नहीं देख पाते हैं बेबी का, तो दैट्स वाई एम्ब्रियो वुड बी द आंसर ओवर हियर. In fetus, the major characteristic of fetus is that we are able to identify each and every characteristic. Suppose we can see the legs and everything forming. Okay, so Aditi is on the top, then we have Jarvis and Aditya. 15th question. Okay, Mrunal, I'll see it this time. Easy peasy question, just think about it. You can do it, guys. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on the this application. So the correct answer is penis. You can contact me on the Unacademy platform as well. If you have any doubt or anything like that. Okay, Aditi is topping the charts today, and I could see you, the disco potato. Okay, and someone more, and the queen, right? This is your next question. Ishita, you must be knowing where do you live. Do you want me to? You are asking that where do I live? I live in Delhi. Implantation is the correct answer over here, in which the embryo gets embedded in the walls of the uterus. So remember that word, implantation. That's why I say it is very important to attend the whole class. Then only you will be able to answer. Specifically in my class, I focus on teaching a bit before any quiz because it is important to learn rather than just analyzing it and analyzing something that you actually don't know. So do attend the class, guys. Okay, subscribe to this channel and get all the updates. Hi Arjun. Hello. Here's your question. Are you a part of a Menti quiz, all of you? Whoever is joining right now? Hello. These all are conceptual question, guys. See, most of you are doing it wrong as well. A sperm combines with the egg in the oviduct. So it only fertilizes. The fetus is formed in the I would say in the uterus, not in the oviduct. So if you really want to clear all those concepts, that's why it is important to attend the classes, go on the Unacademy platform. It is available over there, all the classes that you people want to see. Okay. And I have also taken a plus course that is on particularly this chapter. So if you want to go ahead, follow me, try to see the plus courses, and I would really like to welcome you there and clear all your doubts, most importantly. That is very important. So we have Aditi, Aditya and Frosty. Okay. So last 3 questions. Let's see, are they the game changer or not? Think, and then answer. Don't tell me. Seriously? 38 weeks is the average period in which a baby is delivered. Not 28, not 32. If it would be 28 or 32, that would be a premature baby. So a healthy baby takes place or gets birth in a 38 weeks period. Go to my plus course and go and watch it quickly after this class or tomorrow, so that you are able to complete your clear your concepts. Okay, guys? Second last question. Easy peasy one. Don't get this wrong. Last 2, 1, and time's up. Let's see. So ovaries are the reproductive organ that in a woman which makes the ova or the egg. So that is the correct answer. You can do it, guys. Let's see who will be on the top. Right now it is maintained by Aditi, Frosty and Aditya. So let's see the last question that could be a game changer. Simple question, simple one. Remember, fetus we are talking about. That was false. Why? Because after the zygote keeps dividing repeatedly, it forms a embryo that is multicellular. Then embryos divides much more and make a multicellular organism part that is known as fetus. So let's see who is the winner. Drum rolls. And our beautiful Aditi is the winner. Congratulations. And then we have Frosty, Jarvis, Aditya. That is so great. Krishna, and I cannot see the names right here, but congratulations, everyone. That is so great. Aditi, a big congratulations for you. So you will have a chicken dinner today. Okay. So here we are again, and I would bid you a farewell. Bye bye, guys. Take care. And if you want, you can be a part of my Plus subscription. And I would love to see you on the platform, Unacademy platform. So let's meet you there. If you want to revise any topic of the 6th standard, you can contact me on my at 7 o'clock as well. Okay, so take care till then. And this is my code, that is AS23. So if you really want to clear all your doubts, and if you want that, now it is a time to revise the chapters because your exams are coming. So go and subscribe to the Plus or the Iconic subscription. And just because you are my lovely students, if you apply my code, that is AS23, you will be getting a 10% discount. So let's see you in the Plus courses, guys. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.